Welcome, fellow explorers, to a new frontier in storytelling, a place where imagination meets innovation, and creativity knows no bounds. We stand on the cusp of a new era, where the power of video is no longer bound by complexity. The tools we have today are more intuitive and accessible than ever before. Pictory AI emerges as our guide, a revolutionary tool that transforms the written word into captivating video experiences. It's like having a professional video editor at your fingertips, ready to bring your vision to life. Imagine transforming your scripts and articles into dynamic videos with ease. No longer do you need to spend countless hours learning complex software or hiring expensive professionals. Pictory AI makes this possible, opening up a universe of storytelling possibilities for content marketers, educators, businesses, and anyone with a story to tell. Whether you're creating content for social media, educational purposes, or business presentations, Pictory AI has you covered. Gone are the days of grappling with complicated software and steep learning curves. Pictory AI simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your story. Pictory AI empowers you to unleash your creativity and share your message with the world in the most engaging format: video. Collaborate with others, share ideas, and create content that resonates. Join me as we delve into the capabilities of Pictory AI and discover how it can elevate your content to new heights. Together, we will explore its features, hear from users, and see real-world examples of its impact. One of the most remarkable features of Pictory AI is its ability to seamlessly transform scripts into visually stunning videos. This innovative tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to bring your words to life in ways you never imagined. Imagine feeding your carefully crafted words into Pictory AI and watching as it breathes life into your narrative. The process is almost magical, turning simple text into a vibrant visual story. Pictory AI analyzes your script, identifying key themes and concepts. It understands the essence of your message, ensuring that the visuals it selects are not just relevant but also enhance the storytelling experience. It then dives into its vast library of high-quality stock footage, meticulously selecting visuals that perfectly complement your words. Each clip is chosen with precision, creating a seamless blend of text and imagery. The result? A captivating fusion of audio and video that captivates your audience and elevates your message. Your content becomes more engaging, more memorable, and more impactful. No longer are your scripts confined to the page. With Pictory AI, they transcend into dynamic visual experiences. This transformation allows your ideas to reach new heights, engaging viewers in a way that static text simply cannot. Prepare to be amazed as your storytelling transcends boundaries, captivating audiences with the perfect blend of narrative and visuals. With Pictory AI, your stories are not just told, they are experienced, leaving a lasting impression on everyone who watches. The magic of Pictory AI extends beyond scripts, encompassing the world of articles as well. Have you poured your heart and soul into a written piece, only to wish it could reach a wider audience? Pictory AI is your solution. With its innovative article-to-video function, Pictory AI transforms static articles into dynamic video journeys. Simply input your article, and Pictory AI takes over, intelligently extracting key points and selecting visuals that bring your words to life. Imagine your insightful articles transformed into engaging videos, ready to captivate a wider audience on platforms like YouTube, social media, and your website. Pictory AI makes it effortless to expand your reach and share your knowledge in a format that resonates with today's digital landscape. Pictory AI is not just about automation. It also provides you with powerful editing tools to fine-tune your video masterpiece. Think of it as your cosmic editing suite, where you have the power to shape and mold your video to perfection. Trim and cut clips with precision, ensuring a seamless flow to your narrative. Add text overlays, highlighting key points and enhancing understanding. Experiment with different video formats and aspect ratios to optimize your content for various platforms. The intuitive interface makes these editing tools accessible to everyone, regardless of prior video editing experience. You are the director of your story, and Pictory AI provides the tools to make your vision a reality. Section 5. No experience needed. Embark on your video creation journey. One of the most remarkable aspects of Pictory AI is its user-friendliness. You don't need to be a video editing wizard or a technical guru to harness its power. Pictory AI's intuitive interface welcomes users of all skill levels, making video creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, Pictory AI guides you every step of the way. The straightforward process eliminates the learning curve, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: sharing your story. Say goodbye to the days of wrestling with complex software. Pictory AI empowers you to create professional quality videos with ease, unlocking your storytelling potential like never before. Section 6. The power of voice and text, engaging your audience across the galaxy. In the vast expanse of the digital landscape, capturing and retaining audience attention is paramount. Pictory AI understands this challenge and provides you with tools to elevate your videos beyond visuals. Integrate AI-powered voiceovers, infusing your videos with emotion and personality. Choose from a diverse selection of voices and accents, ensuring the perfect fit for your brand and message. Enhance accessibility and engagement with automatically generated subtitles. Your message will reach a wider audience, including those who prefer to watch videos with the sound off or require subtitles for accessibility. Section 7. Crafting your cosmic masterpiece, a step-by-step guide. Ready to embark on your video creation journey with Pictory AI? Whether you're a seasoned creator or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through every step. Here's a simple guide to get you started. 1. Choose your starting point. This is where your creativity begins to take shape. Begin with a script, article, or even just an idea. Your initial concept is the foundation of your video. Pictory AI provides the flexibility to start from wherever you are in your creative process. 2. Input your content. This is where your ideas start to come to life. Upload your script or article or simply type in your ideas. The AI will take it from there, analyzing and preparing your content for the next steps. Pictory AI will analyze your content and suggest relevant visuals. 3. Customize your video. This is where you can truly make it your own. Select from a vast library of stock footage, add your logo, choose your brand colors, and fine-tune every detail to align with your vision. 4. Enhance with audio. Sound is a crucial element of any video. Integrate AI voiceovers, upload your own narration, or let the visuals speak for themselves. You can also add background music and sound effects to enrich the viewer's experience. Add subtitles to boost engagement and accessibility. This ensures that your message reaches a wider audience, including those who are hearing impaired or prefer to watch videos on mute. 5. Share your masterpiece. Download your video in various formats and resolutions, optimized for different platforms. Whether it's for social media, a website, or a presentation, Pictory AI has you covered. Share your creation with the world. Let your creativity shine and inspire others with your unique vision. Section 8. Choosing your spaceship. Pictory AI plans for every explorer. Pictory AI offers a range of plans designed to meet the needs of every storyteller, from individual creators to large teams. Whether you're just starting your video creation journey or you're a seasoned pro, there's a plan that's right for you. For those seeking the most comprehensive set of features and capabilities, the professional plan is the ideal choice. Unlock unlimited video creation, access premium stock footage, and enjoy priority support. No matter which plan you choose, you'll benefit from Pictory AI's intuitive interface, powerful features, and commitment to empowering your storytelling. Section 9. Embark on your free trial. A universe of possibilities awaits. Ready to experience the transformative power of Pictory AI for yourself? Sign up for a free trial today and unlock a universe of video creation possibilities. Use code for a special discount on your chosen plan. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your content and captivate your audience like never before. Section 10. Pictory AI, your gateway to effortless video creation. In the ever-evolving landscape of content creation, video reigns supreme. Pictory AI emerges as your indispensable ally, empowering you to harness the power of video with unparalleled ease and efficiency. From transforming scripts and articles into captivating visuals to providing intuitive editing tools and AI-powered enhancements, Pictory AI revolutionizes the video creation process. Embrace the future of storytelling with Pictory AI. Unlock your creativity, expand your reach, and captivate your audience with the power of video. Section 11. Conclusion. A universe of stories, waiting to be told. We stand at the dawn of a new era in storytelling where the power of video is within everyone's grasp. Pictory AI is the key to unlocking this potential, providing a user-friendly platform that transforms words into captivating visual experiences. Embrace the future of content creation with Pictory AI. Share your stories, your knowledge, your vision with the world in a format that resonates, inspires, and engages. A universe of possibilities awaits. What stories will you tell?